we're going to look at how we can open a class notebook and add an entry to a reading log that the teacher in our class has set up. I'm starting off by logging into office.com with my student account and password. Once I've logged into Office 365, I can click on the class team if my notebook is in there. Click on Teams to open and find your class team. Now my class team is 5DB, so I'm going to look for that team when I open Microsoft Teams. If you're in more than one team, you can go back to all teams and then find the correct team for your class. In the general channel of the class team, I've got a tab called Class Notebook. If I click on that, I'll be able to open the Class 5DB notebook. Now, I'm going to open this in its full browser view, so I'm going to click where it says Edit Notebook. I'm going to Open in Browser. If you happen to have downloaded the desktop app, you can also do that. But I'm going to Open in Browser. Once I've opened my class notebook, I need to navigate to my section. So you find your name, click on it, and it will show all the different sections in the notebook. Now, I've been told to make my reading entries in the reading log section. So I click on reading log and I find the class reading log page. Here it is. My teacher has put an example one in the first row of this table. So all I've got to do is put in the details in the next row and record myself reading. Now, when I'm ready to do my recording, I'm sitting comfortably at the computer and I've got my book ready. I'm going to click on Insert and then choose the audio option, and then I'll be ready to start reading. I'm going to allow the computer to use my microphone. Chapter 2, Past and Present. The ferry journey had been quick and non-eventful, and the taxi Nat and his dad caught at Dover was heading northwards. When you've finished your reading example, click Stop. You'll see that the audio recording gets placed in the right position in the table. You might be able to add some comments about what you're reading about. Are you enjoying the book? Can you anticipate what's happening next? Type in your details if there's a comment section on your reading log page. And that's it. Remember to fill out your reading log regularly. If you want to access your class notebook without going into the class team, you can just click on OneNote from the Office 365 apps menu and then click on Class Notebooks. You'll find any of your class notebooks there in a list, and you'll just have to look down and find the right class notebook. The one I want is 5DB. Click on it to open it. And then you're ready to start making your reading log entry.